What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a microphone stand from InnoGear. This is going to be a great way to get your microphone organized on your setup or gaming setup. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so once you get this open, you're going to get a couple of things. You have your user manual, shows you how to get this installed. You have this arm here that extends out to 30 plus inches. You have your 5/8 adapter on here. This is going to allow you to use various microphones on here. So most of your most popular microphones for your studio or like podcast or video recording setups, it's going to fit on here. And then you have this adapter on the other end, which you would put this clamp on, and this will allow you to place this on your desk or your table. This can fit on a tabletop of just over 2 inches. So you would just screw this down, and that way you can adjust this to fit whatever type of desk that you have. Then you have your adapter here. This is what your arm is going to go into. So you would slide this into the base. So then you would take your arm, just place it down. Now this is an extension. You actually don't have to use this extension, but just in case, depends on what type of setup you have. You can put this in. If you don't want to use it, you could actually just put your arm down in here like this. So this just gives you a little bit more versatility on how you can set up your mic. And once you have this in, you notice that the arm is nice and secure. It's real stable. So once you have that set up, you just take your mic, and once that's screwed in, it's basically ready to go. And from there, you just adjust on how you want to use your mic. So like I said, you can come down here, you can use it this way, and now you're ready to have that nice professional audio and a nice organized setup on your gaming or your studio setup. So guys, once again, this is going to be the microphone stand from InnoGear. You have full range of motion here to work with, anywhere from 135 to 180 degrees of motion on this arm, and then it turns 360 degrees. So that's going to give you a lot of flexibility on the position for your mic. So once again, this is going to be the mic stand from InnoGear. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.